Alright, good day, good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. As you can see, XRP is on an absolute ripper with BTC going to the downside. So what I have over here is just a general limit for any price action. And it is based off of 5-day mean reversion plays. So a break from that mean reversion play could send XRP to 22 cents or to whatever that is, 62.32 cents. Anything on the way is not going to be a random point, as we can throw up other data that will start to match up with said levels. Alright, said levels. We've got mean here. As this lifts, that mean will lift. Alright. Upside on the reverse wave trend is 70 cents. Let's see what gets us there. We've got some big orders coming through the book. Right now, cool. We've got some big orders coming through. Yeah, so majority of these orders are now bigger than any previous trading volume on XRP. Just to let you guys know that, yeah, there used to be about 3 or 4K being traded in the market at any given time. The smallest order here looks to be about 3.6, averaging 5K buy orders. To 30K buy orders, 20K sell-offs, 139K sell-offs. That's chilled. Okay, cool. So what I'm wanting to do is throw up the distribution cone, see which levels we are going to be trying to mean revert from, and VRE PB cone on, and we'll let it play out for a minute. Sorry, I was hoping to get that done, but I see that there was some stuff coming in. Okay. These are our probability levels, Laplace distribution levels, and a general idea being is you want to open and close above them to look for continuation. So as you can see, we closed above. If we open and close, we go for that one. So for top size 41.63, current is 40.40, bottom side is 39.17. We bounced off of areas that we were plotting when we were up in this region. When we were live, we've bounced off those regions. And why these are sort of a little bit significant is its previous market memory, right? So there was this was opportunity for positive drift into expansion phase, and then it flipped the PCs on the higher term time frames. A little bit of drag down. Now it's obviously bouncing off of that previous, wanting to expand into a positive expansion phase, which means price goes up. So it came down, back that up. That is a level to be observant of. What we are currently playing with is VRE, daily mean. You can switch PB cones off for that, and you have an ultimate power mean that's also sitting here. So the general idea being is, yes, it can front run here, slow off a bit, one candle down, 2 candles fight, third one can push for a direction. 15-minute, we have law of large numbers, law of small numbers triggered. We have expansion coming in. Oh, this is getting picked up. So it's sloppy chips, so it is wanting to turn around, considering it has gone through the daily mean reversion play at the perfect time. Mean reversion play at the perfect time, no red flashes. We're looking for continuation. Then we're going to go 30-minute. Just want to see if I can do this quick. 30-minute mean reversion, contraction, positive drift. 45-minute mean reversion, positive drift. They back each other. Sideways. Oh wow, this is coming in hard. There you go. Significant positive correlation. You'll be looking for the nearest reverse wave trend, if it is here. If not, you're going to VRE. So you've broken out of your previous reverse wave trend. We're going to hunt the VRE up here, and that will match up with a PB cone. Cool. Cross coming through, pull in, looking for next phase to be into expansion on this next print. So it has to close here, it will go sideways. If it closes below, it comes down. If it closes here, it goes sideways. And then continuation through the next phase. Alright, 90-minute. Bull dev looking for expansion. returns do have the opportunity now to really run quite high, given that we have mean reversion phase looking for a new trend and we have a mean. So we'll have to look for some data up in this region. 3 hour. Is sloppy chips with expansion. 3 hour not looking too as healthy as the lower term time frames, but it is more bullish. This was getting itself confused, so it's sideways. As you can see, this is 40.67 is the current level for sideways, which you can print that as a doji. Not as a doji, it's just a small candle, which is easier to flip in future data. Expansion to the upside on the 12 hour, looking for follow through. Still sideways though. Close above JMA twice, you'll see that turn around. Outlier event is happening. The 24 hours just got positive drift behind it. So 24 hours is what's picked this up. 2-day. You have contraction now moving. Okay, so it's sideways on the 2-day. You have contraction phase looking to happen under positive, so that will bring negative drift. Expansion on the 3 days, kicking that booty. Positive drift will be initiated when red. It's not too hectic. Bullish div coming in. And contraction, positive correlation, negative correlation, positive drift. So it floats up on the 14-day or the 7-day. 21-day is this one. 21-day ain't been moved around. Aye. And then we'll just have some PB cones to leave us off with some ranges to get into 21-day. Some flashes coming through. It's now sideways. 21-day dictates sideways under outlier event, so we're going to wait for some follow through. Obviously, if this decays to the upside, we'll have general returns definitely push to the upside. That'll be one of our first triggers to just be monitoring just within the day. 15-minute, and I'll throw up the cones. We're still in time, they're still on the money. Make them big. Sloppy chips. There's no more new flashes, no new trends, and let's not go blind. So general idea being, as it always usually is close above daily mean, look for continuation to the upside, close below daily mean, look for continuation to the downside, and we'll turn that off, and you'll have these general levels to look for. So you start closing above this reverse wave trend, XRP is going to want to start kicking it up into, let's just say, 45 cents, and any one of those levels there can stop it. You start closing below this region, okay, so it might come up, hit this candle, and then want to close below this. That will cause drag for future returns, okay. But as you can see right here, we have a mean that's looking to also cross on this PB cone, and that generally signifies some big moments in time, okay. Markets usually stop, so we will look for continuation under positive drift. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys have a good day further. Pow pow.